Guatsi Hopa. This is Governor Martin Kowemy Jr. and I hope all of you are staying safe during this time. For today's video, I would like to bring awareness to this new season we are moving into. This is the time of the year where we begin making plans to spend the holidays with family and friends, a season that is now beginning to bring colder weather and people are beginning to move events and activities indoors. This is a time that we all must begin to be aware of our decisions and include plans to keep our families safe. We all should move forward into the holiday season with precautions. It was only a year ago that the Pueblo experienced our toughest time during the pandemic. The Pueblo saw its largest spike of COVID-19 positive cases 2 weeks following Halloween, All Souls and All Saints Day holidays. Everyone must take responsibility to self-monitor our own symptoms and those of our children. If you are sick or don't know if you are experiencing a cold, flu, allergies, or anything at all, stay home and away from others until you can get a COVID-19 test. It's better to take precautions earlier than to unknowingly infect those that you love. Our recent example, I can share this, that an individual had slight symptoms that thought they were due to allergies and decided to go to a family birthday party. The individual ended up testing positive for COVID-19, and from this one case, the EOC contact tracers were able to investigate an additional 14 cases that resulted from this one individual. So please take precautions of your symptoms, no matter how slight they may be. On this screen, you'll see that the new COVID-19 case update within the Pueblo boundaries. Our contact tracers are seeing a trend in cases resulting from eating inside a restaurant. Please take precautions as city regulations are not as restrictive here in the Pueblo. Your safest environment is outdoors, ordering to go or curbside pickup. Next, LDOE and EOC have been working hard to ensure our children move safely through the school year. We are seeing that LDOE COVID-19 protocols are working and are more effective compared to schools outside of the Pueblo, where cases are now announced on a daily basis. LDOE and protocols may seem strict, but it's keeping our children safe. I want to thank our parents and guardians for helping to ensure these protocols are being followed by your household. And thank you LDOE staff and facility for the daily efforts to ensure our children remain safe. Be mindful that the LDOE protocols may change if there is a shift with the COVID environment in the Pueblo. We must all be flexible. Next, the EOC continues to follow CDC and New Mexico Department of Health booster shot guidance for administration of Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. To date, the EOC has completed a total of 3 Pfizer COVID-19 booster pods within the Pueblo, and a total of 982 Pfizer booster shots were administered. The next COVID-19 booster pod is scheduled for Wednesday, November 3rd. Beginning next week, the EOC will add the Moderna vaccine to the boosters pods along with the Pfizer vaccine. Starting today, any tribal member or resident that is over the age of 18 who completed their primary series of Pfizer or Moderna vaccine for their first and second shots at least 6 months ago may register for a booster at the Pueblo of Laguna. The EOC will not be mixing vaccines. The EOC will schedule Pfizer booster shots from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. and Moderna booster shots to 6 p.m. at the Mesita facility. Anyone who has not received a COVID-19 vaccine is eligible as well. Anyone receiving a COVID-19 vaccine or booster from the Pueblo of Laguna will need to have a profile created with the New Mexico Department of Health to schedule. If you need assistance over the phone, call the Laguna Community Health Care Center. In addition, the EOC is preparing for vaccination efforts of COVID-19 vaccinations for children ages 5 to 11 years old by early November. Parents will create profiles and schedule their children through the New Mexico Department of Health COVID-19 vaccine registration system. Next, the Halloween COVID-19 safety precautions have been announced for everyone participating in trick or treat within the Pueblo boundaries. On this screen, you will see the safety precautions we are asking everyone to follow. As a reminder, even though we are allowing this event to take place, we still need to proceed with caution as the COVID-19 virus is still among us and within our community. Again, please follow the guidance and help keep this event outdoors, as data shows that outdoor activities are safer when utilized with COVID-19 safe precautions of wearing a face mask, keep a 6-foot social distance, wash your hands, and disinfect your home, and stay home if your child is feeling sick. Finally, I'd like to remind the community again about All Souls and All Saints Day. Feeding within the home should be limited to household members only, and face masks and social distancing will be required at the graveyards. Please keep yourself and your family safe as we move into this holiday season. Meme sawi James, tawai. Zika na ho et yet to what they she. Etke news take truth. Seitsi tawa they she sek tawa si ne drakon she yang ewa. Barfru komani ho et si ne dear truth. Hush se me, go me. Say hopa, so we shot.